Chapter 2: Computers Around Us. Learning Outcomes. At the end of this chapter, students will be able to comprehend the various ways in which computers are used around us. Know the uses of computers at different places. Make a list of tasks performed by computers. Warm up. Identify and circle the images where you have seen the uses of computers. Circle the image of bank. Circle the image of supermarket. Teachers, note: elucidate the children that computers are used at different places for different purposes. Hey friends, do you know how computers work? Do you remember the places where you have seen a computer? In this chapter, we will understand in detail how different types of computers perform different actions at different locations. There are different machines that do different jobs. For example, an AC controls the temperature of a given area. A similar machine is the computer. It can complete challenging tasks in a matter of seconds. Use of computers is incredibly necessary nowadays. Computers are used everywhere, like in offices, at shopping centers, etc. Different computers can be used by different people for different work. For example, software engineers use computers to design new softwares. Do you know computers are also used in space explorations? Computers at office. Have you ever visited your parents' office? If yes, you must have seen someone using a computer there. Computers are used in offices for the following purposes: typing and printing of Word documents, receiving and sending of data and emails, giving PowerPoint presentations, keeping the records of the employees. Computers at home. A computer is an inseparable part of our everyday life. We utilize computers at home for watching movies and playing games, making online bill payment, internet access, sending and receiving emails. Remember it. First electronic computer was ENIAC. Computers at bank. We keep our money safe in banks. A computer is used in bank for maintaining records of customers, online banking, doing calculations. Computers in medical field. Hospitals are used for keeping detailed records of visitors and employees, preparing medical reports, diagnosing diseases and perform operations. Computers in shopping mall. Shopping mall use computers for maintaining employee records, keeping record of goods sold and stocked. Computers at railway stations and airports. Have you ever seen computers at railway stations or airports? At airports and stations, computers perform following tasks: to track and control the activities of airplanes in airways, to display information about timings, to make or cancel reservation and booking and printing of tickets. Let me answer. How computers useful in schools? Computers in schools. In a school, computers are used widely by teachers for interactive learning apps and virtual classes using smart classroom, tracking performance of students, maintaining fee bills and receipt, tracking library records. tickets IQ. Can you suggest some more uses of computers? Let's recall. Different kinds of machines perform different tasks. Computers are used almost everywhere like hospitals, banks, schools, etc. In banks, computers are used to perform calculations. In offices, computers are used to maintain records of customers. Upskill your intelligence. A. Collect and paste the pictures of any 5 places where computers are used in the space given below. Answer: do it yourself. B. Fill in the blanks. 1. At offices, computers are used for giving dash presentation. Answer: PowerPoint. 2. In dash, computers are used for booking and printing tickets. Answer: railway stations and airports. 3. At dash, computers are used to display flight details. Answer: airports. 4. In shopping malls, computers are used to maintain records of dash sold and stocked. Answer: goods. 5. In a dash, computers are used by teachers to teach. Answer: schools. C. Write T for true statements and F for false statements. 1. A computer can be used to book flight tickets. Answer: true. 2. A computer is not a man-made machine. Answer: false. 3. Computers can be used for virtual classes in schools. Answer: true. 4. A computer can cut the vegetables. Answer: false. 5. Computers cannot be used for printing documents. Answer: true. D. Answer the following questions. 1. Write down the names of 5 places where computers are used. Answer: schools, railway stations, airports, shopping malls, medical field and banks. 2. List any 2 uses of computers in school. Answer: A. Interactive learning apps and virtual classes using smart classroom. B. Tracking performance of students. 3. Where do we use computers to maintain health records of patients? Answer: in hospitals, we use computers to maintain health records of patients. 4th, write a short note on uses of computers in airports and railway stations. Answer: at airports and stations, computers perform following tasks. A. To track and control the activities of airplanes in airways. B. To display information about timings. C. To make or cancel reservations and booking and printing of tickets. Critical thinking. A. Unscramble the words to answer the following questions correctly. 1. Computers are used in offices for sending and receiving. Answer: emails. 2. Computers are used in schools to track library. Answer: records. 3. At airports, computers are used for booking and printing. Answer: tickets. 4. Dash uses computers to design new softwares. Answer: engineer. B. Have you ever done a shopping at mall? If yes, then paste a computerized bill below. Answer: do it yourself. Teamwork. A. Your parents want to book a train ticket, but there is a long queue at the railway station? Ask your parents and list down the steps involved in booking an online train ticket. Answer: do it yourself.